Alright guys, Magnaflow Xmod exhaust unboxing for the 2022 Supra.
Nice.
Alright. Alright, here's the Y pipe. Oh no. Okay, I know what this is. This is the piece with the resonator. This will be on the valve piece for the passenger side, which I am going to run straight piped. So this is a fully modular setup, which you can either run with a muffler on both driver and passenger side, or you can run straight pipe on both sides, or the way I'm going to run muffler on the driver's side, so that when we're in normal mode, it's going to be quiet still, but have a tune sound. And then on put it in sport mode, it's going to be straight pipe. So we're going to get all the loud noises, turn it up. See, and these are the these are the straight pipes that you use to bypass the mufflers. What else do we got in here?
I think there's a bunch of packing material.
Okay, just extra packing material. All right, so we don't need that anymore. What else do we got? Oh, okay. So here's this look like. We have the selection. You can either run a 3-inch pipe coming off the downpipe with this one here, or as I'm going to run, since I'm running a Activeautowerk catted downpipe, we're gonna go with the 3.5-inch pipe off the downpipe. Get a little more extra flow. And then after we use the pipe going off the downpipe, that will connect to the Y pipe, and then splitting into the 2 pipes going into the mufflers. So,
down your instructions right here.
Yep. Everything is very nicely welded. And look, everything looks very high quality stainless steel. And I love that everything is V-banded, so no gaskets, no exhaust leaks to worry about. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna get this baby installed, and then we're gonna hear what this thing sounds like, get some revs, get some drive-bys, get some in-car videos. Yeah, this is gonna be real nice. All right, guys, exhaust drop moment. All right, ready, man?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right, let's get this.
See if we die.
So if we fuck up, it's on tape.
Alright, so on camera.
All right, I got it. Got my side lowered down.
Now we just need to pull it out.
All right.
Work it out.
All right. Does it look like it's working loose?
It's twisting loose, but it's coming slowly. Keep working it. You know what? Should we have sprayed it?
Did we spray it?
I don't think we did. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, because
Give me your PB because the PB is the one that's going to work at the bottom. My stuff won't.
here. Yeah, because I remember that downpipe was a pain last time.
You know how you blew your recent thing up and and that one you had was it blown up?
All right.
Yes, twisting loose. Just keep pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Pulling back. There we go.
Yep.
There she's down.
All right.
That worked. That's what we needed last time.
All right. Nice.
Now.
Just get it the hell off you. All right, guys, and here is the finished install. So we got the 3-inch pipe coming off the downpipe.
3.5.
Or 3.5 inch, I'm sorry, yeah. 3.5 inch pipe coming off the downpipe. The Y pipe splitting into two 3-inch pipes. We got the muffler running off on the driver's side. And then we got straight pipe to the passenger side with the exhaust flap.